So this is the first video of my build. I'm gonna make my groomsmen's gifts and I'm starting today. I am gonna start by starting the right way. I'm finishing up this bottle for you guys. Just a little bit. I don't want to exaggerate, just a little bit. This and this. You know what? Stop being a beach in this. Do it right. Let's just finish this shit. Oh my god, it wasn't that much. But alright, I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna turn this hatchet. So you guys can see this. Turning this hatchet into a tomahawk for you guys. So now I marked it from where the cut's gonna go. I'm gonna leave this like this. I like how it looks. I think it's gonna look pretty cool. I'm just gonna cut it from the bottom and then cut this off the handle, and I'm gonna make it shorter. I'm gonna make it 12 inches. This is currently 14 inches, I believe. So I'm just gonna cut like these 2 inches off and make it a little bit shorter. So the head's off now. Now I have to take this off right here and these, and then after that I'll cut all this, give it the shape it needs, and then put the handle on it, and that should be kind of it. So this took a little bit of time just getting this out, but the mark's still there. This is the top, this is the bottom. So it's raining, but I didn't let that stop me. I was able to cut it. Look at all that. Cut it to the shape I need it. Now I have to grind this down and then make it look pretty. So this is how it ends up, all cleaned up. I still gotta sharpen it, but I mean, way better. Bottom, do whatever best what I could, but those edges look cool. Clean it up. Then I have to put it here. And I'll be done. Here's the semi-finished product. It's almost done. I fixed this. I have to put a wedge in there. And then stain this with benseed oil. And then, well, before I stain it, I have to just put Groomsmen or whoever it's gonna belong to, like the name. But other than that, I need 9 more to go, and I'll be done with this project. So I already cut 4. I cleaned them up a little bit. Right now I'm just trying to start this fire up with just some coal and some wood. Wood's kind of wet because it's been raining lately, but as soon as I get this hot, I can put these in there, get them tempered, then quench them in there. I have oil in there, quench them in the oil, and then put them in the oven, and that should harden them enough so they won't crack. I currently have the axe heads in there. They're heating up so they can temper evenly. This is the metal wedge that I'm making. I already made a wooden wedge out of walnut that goes in there. So this is pretty solid already, so it's gonna put that one more so it just ties it all together. So here it is, all wedged up. Once I'm ready, just have to put some linseed oil on it. And then, well, before that I have to put like Groomsmen down on it and their initials, and then sharpen the head, and that's it. So when you're taking out the axe, look at this little hole. It comes with a little pin. Just gonna make sure it focuses. So yeah, it's a little pain in the ass. I mean, you need to take out that wood, but it's in the way. Just make sure you clear that. I mean, I was gonna cut it anyway, but I was able to take it off. So that was good. So here we go. First axe completely cleaned out. Here's axe number 2, cleaned up already, ready to get worked on. These always take me a little bit longer. Surprisingly, this one was easier to clean up. Maybe because the hole is bigger. Now I have a dilemma with this one. A handle. I was looking at it. Now, I feel like there's a gap. So I'm gonna have to get it from here. But I wanted to keep this bottom part, so I don't know. Probably have to cut it too. So I gotta take out also when I'm working on the handle. I gotta get this little coat that it has of I think it's just some lacquer that they put on it. And I can take it off so I can put linseed oil on after I'm finishing shaping these handles, more like the handle head. And they're all smooth now, ready for some linseed oil. Well, not ready, not yet, but this I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do with all this. And I'm gonna cut the bottom, so I didn't even scrape the whole thing with a I'm gonna scrape the whole thing, so yeah. So working on this still. No ways to go. But this is gonna be a bearded hatchet or a bearded tomahawk, so it comes out pretty clean. I mean, it's looking alright. The idea is there, so let's see how it comes out.